Introducing the Stock Your Home Mini Disposable Plastic Cupcake Containers. These 12-compartment containers are perfect for displaying your delicious mini cupcakes, tiny muffins, macaroons, cocoa bombs, and more. The crystal clear containers are made of 100% BPA-free OPS plastic, which is not only transparent but also refrigerator safe and recyclable. They are stackable, allowing you to save storage space in your kitchen or bakery. These cupcake containers come with airtight dome lids that feature funnel supports to keep your delicately piped frosting, sprinkles, and other decorations neatly in place during transport. The clamshell design with a hinged lock closure ensures that your cakes retain their moisture and freshness. Personalizing these clear plastic carriers is a breeze. You can easily add your own stickers, labels, or logos at home, making them perfect for bakeries, catering services, birthday parties, weddings, and more. In this great value pack, you will receive 40 disposable plastic cupcake holders. Each tray has 12 compartments, and each cavity has a 1-ounce capacity. The dimensions of the containers are 9.94, length x 7.31, width by 2 inches height. Please note that these cupcake containers are designed for use in the US, and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. The ASIN for this product is B0892QLB5J, and it has received positive customer reviews with a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. It is ranked number 25,267 in kitchen and dining and is currently one of the best sellers in the category of cupcake carriers. The product was first made available on May 22, 2020. Get your Stock Your Home Mini Disposable Plastic Cupcake Containers today and showcase your delicious treats in style.